So you can draw a whole character using the pencil tool, and you'll see that I've finished off drawing most of the line work for this character here. Now, I've used the pencil tool to do that, and on some lines I've given it a variable width stroke using the brush definition drop-down menu here. But I can also apply different styles of brushes to the artwork as well as using variable width strokes. And I do that using the brushes panel. Now, before we go into the brushes panel, I want you to change from the Essentials workspace to the Painting workspace. And we're in Apply Brushes Superhero Start AI, which you can find in the Drawing folder. So in the workspace menu, choose Painting, and that will open all the tools that I'm likely to use, or all the panels I'm likely to use for painting. We don't want to use the colour panel at the moment, so double-click the tab at the top to close it. Double-click the Swatches tab and the Colour Guide too, and that gives us plenty of room for our brushes. And underneath our brushes, we have our Layers panel. Now, I've created some separate layers for line work, so here's my line work all on one single layer. So we can go to the View menu and hide elements in there, but what we're going to do is just use the keyboard shortcut, which is Command H or Control H on Windows. I quite like leaving the bounding box because that reminds me that it is selected, but it removes the paths so that we can see our artwork more clearly. Now, if you have a look at the Brushes panel, there are some default brushes in there. And you'll see I can go between the different brushes. These are calligraphic brushes,